How to add affiliate link on Instagram. Promote affiliate links on Instagram. So go ahead and open your desktop browser and then make sure that you're logged in into your Instagram account. Now let's try uploading an affiliate link. I'll be using Amazon Associate and affiliate links for this, so I'll just copy a link here. And to add it on your profile, just go to your profile tab on Instagram, click on edit profile, and to add a link, you just have to paste it here in the website bar. And as you can see, you can only edit this on mobile devices, so make sure that you also have your mobile device with you. If you want to add multiple affiliate links in your bio, you can use this site called Linktree to compile all of your affiliate links. Linktree is a free tool that allows you to create a personalized, and what's good is its customizable page that houses all the important links that you want to share with your audience. So it's a link and bio solution that can be used on social media platforms like this one, the Instagram, since you can add many links in the Instagram bio. So just for reference, this is how a link tree looks like. You can see the user, and then each link will be divided into this individual bars or buttons or windows. So if you want to add an affiliate link for a shirt, a lipstick, a cell phone case, a coloring book, a journal, it will then be listed just like one here. So let's go ahead and make our own link tree. Go to linktree.com, make sure that you are logged in. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free and then input your Linktree name. So just type that in and then your username. After your username, here are some plans that you can choose from. So the starter for $4 with customizable theme, fonts, and buttons. And you can also spotlight, schedule, and animate your links. And then the Pro plan for $7.5 with enhanced customization of the same element with the starter plan. Longer days of clicks and views, and you have more apps that you can connect, and you can also remove the Linktree logo at the bottom of the page. And then the premium plan is at $19.50, which basically has VIP features. But don't worry, since you can use it for free, and this video will just be using the free version as well. So just click on the free and then tap on join for free. So now you can then change your appearance. This is the circle on top which shows the user. So this is like a display photo of yourself. You can choose from here, and you can also upload your own photo by clicking on this plus icon. So just look on this part of the screen to see how it will look like on the page of the Linktree itself. Now below are the themes of the buttons itself. Just choose one that suits your page the best as well, and then click on continue once you are done. Don't worry much since you can change this layout later. Now in this part, you can add the link or the username of your account. So in our case, let's add our own Instagram account. To find your account, simply search for your username. And then once you tap on enter or you press your enter on your keyboard, results will then show, and then tap on your own account. Okay, now the next thing to do is to add affiliate links. So go ahead and copy the link. Again, I'll be using Amazon affiliate links for this one. So I'll just find a product and then get my link, copy it, and then go back to Linktree. So tap on this add link button, the color purple or violet, paste your link under the URL, and then press enter or tap on this add button. After that, a window will appear here, and now what we need to do is to edit the title. This will appear like this, and we don't want amzn.to for that. So just name your product. Let's say you are sharing a link of a vase, then simply put white donut vase. I'll be putting white donut vase for table design. Just input something that will shortly describe your product. Once you're done with that, you can then proceed to additional settings below. This one is for the layout. You can either make it a classic one, so this is just a simple and direct like this one, Or if it's something that you want to highlight and you really want to promote in your page, you can choose the featured one, since with this one, you can add a thumbnail and it will be this big on your page. So for this one, I'll just choose the featured and I'll add a photo thumbnail. Now let's add another link. Again, get the link from your affiliate programs, copy it, and then add the link, paste the URL. Now, if you want the window to be a classic one but still with a photo, I'll tap on this image icon, click add thumbnail, and you can either upload your own or you can choose from the tabular icons. And this is how it will look like, the circle photo here. So once you're done adding the links, tap on share and then choose open my Linktree just so we can check how it looks like. This is how it looks like, and once they click on one of the windows, they will be directed into the product page. So this will do, and now we have to share and add it on our Instagram bio. So go back to the editing Linktree page and then copy the link. Since we can't add this using the desktop, you can send the link first to yourself. I'll be using WhatsApp to send it since I can access the WhatsApp on my laptop and on my phone. And then I'll just open it in my mobile device. So go ahead and copy the link tree. Go to your Instagram app, proceed to your profile tab, tap on the edit profile button, and here you can click on links, add external link, and then paste in the link tree here. Now save the changes, and as you can see, once we click on the tree and once it's loaded, the items that we added are here, and once we tap on the links, we will be directed to the product links. Now, if you want to add more, you can visit the Linktree site anytime you want. Tap on the add link button again. So let's get another link from Amazon. Browse through the page, and let's say I want to promote this pillowcase, pillow cover, and then get the text. And once you have the link, again, paste it here, edit the title. I'll type in fluffy pillow cover for sofa home decor, and then it's size 18 by 18. Enter that in. I will not add a photo for this since we just want to check if it will be added immediately to our link tree. And now let's open the link tree, and as you can see, the new pillowcase is already here. So that is how to add affiliate link on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.